Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and power. Back up essential files now so you don't lose them and plug the laptop into AC. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the recovery environment through Settings Update and Security Recovery, or reboot and hold Shift while selecting Restart. This gets you to the tools you need. Make sure to read options carefully. Choosing the wrong target drive erases data, so confirm you're restoring the correct system image or factory partition before proceeding. Now you choose how deep the repair must be. If you have a recent restore point, pick System Restore to revert system files and settings without affecting personal files. This is faster and safer. If you previously created a full system image, select System Image Recovery to overwrite the disk and return everything to that exact state. If problems persist, choose Reset this PC. Decide whether to keep your files or remove everything. Each option explains why you'd use it. Match the choice to the severity of the issue. Execute the selected option and carefully confirm the target drive and restore point or image details when prompted. You'll see progress and possibly several automatic restarts. Do not interrupt power or force shutdown, because doing so can corrupt the installation. Once the process completes, sign in and verify device drivers, Windows Update, and network connectivity. Finally, run a full antivirus scan and check your key apps. If the restore fails, try a different restore point or use the system image. If still failing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.